top mount doubled-in installation. If you encounter a depth issue with the radio module in the top position, you may move it to the bottom position by inverting the actual radio mounting bracket assembly, as so. If the gap between the display screen and the radio module exposes the mechanism between the two pieces, you can actually install the rubber boot to fill up all that space. Simply detach the radio module away from the screen, look at the rubber boot and how it's keyed for 3 tabs across the front and 2 tabs on the bottom, the same as a display mounting clamp. Simply slide the clamp into place. Simply slide the rubber boot into place, locking it into all the tabs. Lock the radio module back to the screen itself. And now all of that gap has been filled.